Hey guys, I just got my new slime. My friend made me, and I don't understand. Look at this, guys. It's not stretchable. It used to be, and now it just turned stretchable again. You guys saw that? Well, I'm getting a large slime tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, bye you guys. If you want me to do more satisfying slime videos, comment down below. Yeah. Don't forget to hit that bell icon after you hit that subscribe and like this video. Oh, and you guys. Sorry for not posting too long because I'm busy. But when school ends, I might post like a lot. Yeah. Let's get me to 30 subscribers. Okay. Bye.